Frey syndrome is a rare neurological disorder that affects the taste buds on the tongue. It is characterized by excessive sweating in the area of the tongue, often accompanied by a burning sensation. This condition is caused by the regeneration of nerves that were previously severed or damaged. These nerves, responsible for transmitting taste signals, are now rerouted and can lead to the development of gustatory hyperhidrosis. This description paints a vivid picture of a person experiencing a strong emotional response, likely an intense fear or anxiety. This is evident in the physiological changes, the sweat, the flushed skin, and the visible droplets. These changes are not merely random occurrences, they are a direct result of the body's physiological response to stress. The body's stress response system is a complex and well-defined network of physiological responses that is activated in response to various stressors, including but not limited to physical threats, emotional distress, and social challenges. It is responsible for slowing down the heart rate, promoting digestion, and stimulating the release of digestive enzymes. The parasympathetic nervous system is also responsible for the fight or flight response, but it is not as dominant as the sympathetic nervous system. This leads to a phenomenon known as synergistic sprouting. Synergistic sprouting is a complex process where the two types of nerve fibers are stimulated to grow back together. This process is thought to contribute to gustatory hyperhidrosis and its potential for treatment. The summary provides a concise explanation of synergistic sprouting in the context of gustatory hyperhidrosis.